Features C15 connector that works with both C14 and C16. Multipurpose and can also be used with appliances. 14 Aruban Florins 3 feet black color. Package weight 183 kilograms. This cord is used for high temperature and high power connections to power distribution units and servers. Ideal for high temperature and high power connections to power distribution units and servers. IEC320 C15 connector can work with both C14 and C16 inlets. Heavy-duty 14 Aruban Florins power cord is fully molded for durability. Top reviews from the United States. Just right. These are heavy-duty and able to handle the amps requires by the switch. The Pro Curve devices need a special end with a notch out. This work great.